ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm Sharon Holt, author of Te Reo Singalong books, and today I've got a game that we've got in our membership subscription site for this book, Taku Mōkai. So the game is following the sentence structure in the book about my pet is a cat in this case. His name is Spike. So we've got a game here. So on our membership subscription site, you'll see that you can get this template and the templates for the pets, and of course you could make some more as well. The children could cut out pictures from magazines. This is the templates for the 5 vowels, and this is the ones for the consonants. So the consonants are these ones and the vowels are these ones. So each child would have their own template and they'll choose their own animal. So I'm going to say I've got a guinea pig. Kini kini is the Māori transliteration for guinea pig. He kini kini taku mōkai. My pet is a guinea pig. Now, so when it's my turn to choose the first one, I choose a yellow one here. So this is the sound n, and then I'm going to choose a pink one for the vowel. So that's ni. So he kini kini taku mōkai, ko ni something. I've got to choose another consonant. R, and let's see what this one, nira. Oh, he kini kini taku mōkai ko nira tana ingoa. And it's a really good way of practicing the pronunciation of these vowels because we're doing them individually, and ni and then ra. And I think children would really like that, choosing their own pet card and then finding the name. Just making sure that they follow this pattern, consonant, vowel, just so they don't have any issues around putting 2 consonants together. And that's from our membership subscription site at tereosingalong.online that you can find there all these templates as well as lots of other games as well. Ka kite!